A very good morning to each and everyone. Today we are going to start standard 6. Subject is English grammar and the chapter is 6 adjectives and degrees of comparison. Adjectives. Words that describe a noun or a pronoun are called adjectives. Okay, what do you mean by adjective? Adjectives means words that describe a noun or a pronoun are called adjectives. Okay, for examples, a number, he has three sisters, so three. B number, his house is there, so his. C number, Shalini wrote a new dress. Shalini wore a new dress, so new. 6 number, he has a blue pen, so blue is adjective. E number, Rohan is a good boy, so good is adjective. And F number, this is a big bag, so big is the adjective. So here the words which are describing noun or pronoun are called adjectives, like three, his, new, blue, good, big, like that. They are the examples. In above examples, three, his, new, blue, good and big are the adjectives since they describe the nouns sister, house, dress, pen, boy and bag respectively. Okay, adjectives are also called describing words. We must use appropriate adjectives to describe people or things. Examples of other adjectives are words like honest, honest girl, sincere worker, intelligent child and confident boy. Okay, there are some features over here. An adjective is descriptive word. Okay, adjective is descriptive word and it modifies a noun or pronoun. Okay, it modifies noun or pronoun. Position of adjectives. Adjectives are usually placed before nouns, but sometimes they may be placed after nouns as well. For examples, a number, Ragini is a creative person, so creative is an adjective. Okay, in this sentence creative is what? An adjective and person is noun. Okay, so adjective placed before the noun. B number, that girl is clever, so girl is noun, clever is adjective. Okay, so adjective placed after the noun. And C number, the dress is new, so dress is a noun and new is our adjective. In the B number also girl is noun and creative is adjective. Okay, and D number, the child is pretty, so child is the noun and pretty is adjective. So now exercise number A, circle the adjectives of the underlined nouns. Example, ripe mangoes are delicious, so mangoes, they have already underlined under noun. Okay, they have already underlined nouns and okay, so we have to do circle the adjectives of the underlined noun. Okay, so already nouns already underlined, they have done underline. Here we have to do circle on the adjectives. So ripe and delicious, these both are ripe and delicious, these both are what? Adjectives. Okay, these both are adjectives. Ripe and delicious both are telling something more about noun, right? What is the noun in this sentence? Mango. So ripe and delicious both are the adjectives over here. First number, the princess had long and black hair. So hair is noun. So long and hair, long hair, these both are the adjectives. So that is why we have to do circle on it, long as well as black. Second number, Mohan is a hardworking student. So a hardworking is an adjective. Okay, a hardworking is an adjective. So that is why we have to do circle on it. Third number, a wedding is in the family is a perfect opportunity to know your relatives. So opportunity is noun and relatives also noun. So opportunity, perfect, right? So perfect is the adjective as well as your is also adjective. So that is why we have to do circle on these both. Fourth number, the holy river Ganga is very polluted. So holy is adjective. Holy is adjective. 5 number, every teacher wants to see tidy work. So tidy is our adjective. Okay, tidy is our adjective. 6 number, that car is beautiful. So that car is beautiful. That car is beautiful. So that is also an adjective, and beautiful also is an adjective over here. 7 number, these are his paintings. These are his paintings. So these THESE, these is our adjective. 8 number, we will reach home after 2 weeks. So two is our adjective. Now let's come on page number 28. Kinds of adjectives. Adjectives are six. Adjectives are of 6 kinds: possessive, quality, quantity, interrogative, demonstrative, and number. Okay, adjective of possessive, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of interrogative, adjective of demonstrative, and adjective of numbers. Okay, so let's check out adjectives of quality. A very first kind, adjectives of quality. An adjective of quality describes the quality of a person or thing. For examples, A number, the teacher asked me a simple question. So simple is what? Simple is adjective of quality. Okay. B number, the lesson was interesting. So interesting is what? The adjective of quality. C number, the bag is colorful. So colorful is what? Adjective of quality. And D number, the bangles are lovely. So lovely is adjective of quality. So the words printed in the bold are adjective of quality. The words printed in bold are adjective of quality, as I told you. Now adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity. An adjective of quantity specifies the quantity of a thing. Okay, an adjective of quantity specifies quantity of a thing. For example, A number, give me some water. So some is adjective of quantity. B number, there is enough sugar in the jar. So enough is adjective of quantity. C number, she added some honey to the milk. So some is adjective of quantity. D number, she has got much relief after the treatment. So much is adjective of quantity. So the words were printed in a bold, that are adjectives of quantity, as I already told to you. Now adjectives of number. An adjectives of number tells how many persons or things are meant. For example, a several people got into the train. Okay, so several is adjective of number. B number, there are there are 40 students in the class. So 40 is adjective of number. C number, I have 3 pens. So 3 is adjectives of number. And D number, he has 1 box. So 1 is adjective of number. Okay. So the several words 40, 3 and 1 are the adjectives of numbers. Some other adjectives of numbers are words like first, second, third, which shows in what order a thing or a person stands. They are also known as ordinal adjectives. Okay, so adjectives of number is known ordinal adjectives. Okay, then examples: a number, the fifth boy in the row is not in a proper uniform. So fifth. B number, the third seat is empty. So third. Okay, words like 1, 2 or 3 are cardinals and are also used as adjectives. For examples, a number, there are 2 packets in the cupboard. There are 2 packets in the cupboard. B number, I saw 3 boys in the park. So 3 and 2. These both are cardinal numbers. Okay, cardinal. Then use of much and many. Let us discuss the use of these adjectives in detail. We always use much to indicate quantity, many to indicate numbers. Okay, if we are using much, okay, during that time quantity should be there. So quantity, to indicate quantity we are using much, and to indicate numbers we are using many. In other words, we use much with uncountable and many with countables. Okay, for examples, a number, there is much work yet to be completed. And B number, there is much arrangement to be made. Okay, now let's check out the examples of many. There are many ladies in the room. He attended too many customers. He attended too many customers during the day. Okay, we came on a page number 29. Okay, we came on a page number 29. Again, I would like to repeat that many, example of many. There are many ladies in the room, and he attended too many customers during the day. Now use of few, a few, little, a little. We use little to denote quantity. Okay, we use little to denote quantity, few to indicate number, to indicate almost none we use little, and a little means some. Okay, a little means some. Similarly, few means almost none and a few means some. Okay, let's check out the examples to understand more. A number, he got little help from his friends. Okay, so little, almost no help. Then B number, she got a little help from her friends. So some help. Okay, a little means some help. Then C number, there were few people in the auditorium. So few means almost no people. Okay, and there were a few people in the auditorium. So a few means some people. Okay, let's check out the features of adjectives of Yeah. Features: adjectives of quality describe nouns or pronouns. Some adjectives of quality are slow, fast, happy, large, lazy, sincere, hardworking, and red. Okay, then they ask the question about the person or about the noun or pronoun. What kind of adjectives of quantity answer the question how much. Okay, adjective of quantity answer the question how much with respect to the noun or pronoun they describe. Some adjectives of quantity are enough, much, and some. Adjectives of number answer the questions how many. Okay, adjective of numbers answer the question how many. Respect to the noun and pronoun they describe. Some adjectives of number are many, several, and few. Okay, now difference between adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number. So here we are going to learn, or here we are going to discuss about what is the difference between adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number. Adjectives of quantity are used with uncountable nouns. Okay, adjectives of quantity we are using for uncountable noun. For example, water, milk, rice. Okay, so for that we are using adjectives of quantity. We can say much milk, a liter milk, sufficient milk, to show quantity of milk. Okay, for uncountable noun. Now adjectives of numbers are used with countable nouns like books and glasses. We can write many books, few books, several books. Okay, some adjectives like some and sufficient can be used for both countable and uncountable. Now exercise number B, identify the adjectives and classify them as adjectives of quality, quantity, and number. So the example is already given over here that few people came for the party. So few is what? Adjective of number. Okay, few is adjective of number. First one, the children played loud music. So loud is what? Adjective of quantity. Okay, adjective of quantity. Sorry, adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Okay, loud. So loud, how they are playing music loud, right? So that is why adjective of quality. Second number, street dogs often become violent towards human beings. So street is what? Adjective of quality. Okay, adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Street dogs. Okay, so street is adjective of quality. Third number, some rice is left in the refrigerator. So some is also adjective of quantity. Okay, some is adjective of quantity. Fourth number, is there any letter for me from the bank? So any is what? Adjective of quantity. 5 number, Arnav loves to watch horror movie. Arnav loves to watch horror movie. So horror is adjective of quality. 6 number, many students gathered at the gate to appear for the first test. So many is what? Adjective of number. Okay, adjective of number. 7 number, there isn't much ice in the fridge. So much is what? Adjective of quantity. 8 number, one day one boy of class 6 won the competition. So one is also adjective of number. Okay, adjective of number. 9 number, we kept a few apples in the basket. So few is adjective of number. 10 number, there were much excitement among the people. So much is adjective of quantity. Okay, adjective of quantity. Now let's check out page number 30. Page number 30. Page number 30, demonstrative adjective. What is there? Demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjective is used to point out some persons or thing. For example, these bikes are not parked properly. So these, okay. B number, such players always play for the team. So such and these both are demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives are these, that, these, those, such and certain. Interrogative adjectives are words like whose, what, and which. Interrogative and demonstrative adjectives must be followed by noun. If it is not followed by noun, it is neither an interrogative nor a demonstrative. Okay, so the feature of demonstrative adjective answer the question which one. Okay, now interrogative adjectives. A possessive adjective shows in possession or belonging. For example, his pen is on the table. So his. B number, my car is at the service station. So my. C number, your bike is new. So your. D number, its tire are big. So its. E number, her house is near the post office. So her. Fifth. F number, our school is closed today. So our. G number, your bags are kept inside. So your. And H number, their answer sheets are checked. So there. Okay. So C number, identify. Okay, possessive adjective has the possessive adjectives: first person singular my, plural our; second person your, plural your; third person singular he, his, her, its, and plural their. Okay, now C number, exercise number C, identify the adjectives in the following sentences by ticking the correct options. The first one has been done for you. Examples, that house is mine. So that is possessive. Second, first one, Megha is wearing your earrings. So your is interrogative. Your is possessive. Okay, your is possessive. Okay, that is interrogative. Hello, wait. Example has been given, that is demonstrative. Okay, and first one, Megha is wearing your earring. So your is possessive. Okay. Second number, whose pencil is lying on the floor. So whose means interrogative. Okay. Third number, I could not answer this question. So demonstrative. Fourth number, her pen is with Shyam. So her means possessive. 5 number, that house needs repair. So that means demonstrative adjective. 6 number, our car has been parked near the gate. So our means possessive. 7 number, which girl is going to play the role of Cinderella. So which means interrogative. 8 number, they are happy. They are very happy as their son has won the match the music competition. Again, they are very happy as their son has won the music competition. So there, THEIR, there means possessive. Okay. So now let's check out some other types of adjectives. Some other types of adjectives. Proper adjectives. These are adjectives which are formed from proper nouns. For example, Asian, Christian, emphatic, empathetic adjectives. Emphatic adjectives, they influence the effect of the noun. They are modifying absolute knowledge, utter lie. Participle adjectives, some participles like ing words used before nouns are used as adjectives. Flying saucer, running bus. Okay, now let's check out D number, filling the blanks with the type of adjectives mentioned in the bracket. The first one has been done for you. First, the Chinese girl could speak Chinese only. So Chinese is proper adjective. Second number, many students receive awards in the school. So many is what? Adjectives of number. Third number, please return these books to me. So these is what? Demonstrative adjective. Fourth number, I am advised to add some soya to my diet. So some is what? Adjective of quantity. 5 number, my house is very far from here. So possessive adjective, my. Okay. 6 number, I love to be in my house as it is very big. So big is adjective of quality. 7 number, can you climb this tree? So this is what? Demonstrative adjective. 8 number, she sprained her ankle during the practice session. So her is what? Possessive adjective. 9 number, which fruit is available during this season? So which means interrogative adjective. 10 number, you have less time to complete your homework. So less is what? Adjective of quantity. 11 number, your payment is due on the first Monday of the month. So first is what? Adjective of number. 12 number, I need a sharp knife to cut the vegetables. So sharp is what? Adjective of quality. 13 number, which book would you like to read? So which is what? Interrogative adjective. 14 number, the new manager does not have any experience in this field. So any is what? Adjective of quantity. 15 number, I'm scared of these dogs. So these what? Demonstrative adjective. Okay. Now degrees of comparison. Adjectives change in forms when they shows comparison. Raju is tall. Aman is taller than Raju. C number, Rahul is the tallest of the three. So these changed form are called degrees of comparison. Adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison, which are as follows. First one, positive degree. Second one, comparative degree. And third one is superlative degree. So first one, positive degree. An adjective is said to be in the positive degree when there is no comparison. Okay, when there is no comparison, during that time we are using positive degree. For example, Roy is a strong boy, Rita is a generous girl. Second number, comparative degree. An adjective is said to be in the comparative degree when it is used to compare to noun or pronouns. For example, Roy is stronger than Ramu. B number, Sneha is fighter than Mona. So fitter, okay, fitter than, and stronger than. So in the comparative degree, er then will come. And third number, superlative degree. An adjective is the superlative degree when it is used to compare more than two nouns or pronouns. For example, Raja is the strongest. Raja is the strongest boy, strongest of three boys. Okay, so strongest, est. Then B number, he is the healthiest of them all. Healthiest of them all. So healthiest, right? So there are some features over here. And what are the features of that? Yeah, positive degree is used when there is no comparison. The comparative degree is used when the comparison is okay. So here I have already finished the chapter number page number 30 first half. So degrees of comparison also I have completed, but I have not done the page now. Okay, so this is the page. So features, the comparative degree is used when the comparison between two nouns or pronouns. And the superlative degree is used when the comparison is between more than two nouns or pronouns. We use article the before the superlative degrees. Okay, so there are some adjectives usually form their comparative and superlative degree. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Rich, richer, richest. Thick, thicker, thickest. Young, younger, youngest. Page number 32. Brave, braver, bravest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Pale, paler, palest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Guy, guyer, guyest. Grey, grayer, greyest. Big, bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Suitable, more suitable, most suitable. Important, more important, most important. Far, farther, farthest. Further, farthest. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less or lesser. Least. Later, latest. Later, last. Many, more, most. Much, more, most. Near, nearer, nearest. Old, older, oldest. And elder, eldest. Okay, so there are some features over here on a page number 33. Not all adjectives form their comparative and superlative degrees by the showing above the rules. Okay, bad, good, double comparative and superlative should not be used at all. Okay, so double comparative should not be used. Double comparative like more prettier, no, more prettier we cannot use, should not be used. Simply double superlative like the most tallest, no, we cannot use. Okay, so let's check out. Yeah, superlatives are always accompanied by article the. He is the tallest boy in the class. Okay, so like this we can use of older, oldest, elder, eldest. We use elder and eldest only with persons but not with animals or things. These words are used with members of the same family. For example, her elder sister is a singer. B number, her eldest sister has gone to Japan. So if we use the word is if we use the word then in a sentence we use older and not elder. For example, Rohan is older than his sister. Older and oldest can be used both with the person and the things. For example, Sona is the oldest girl in our team, and that is the oldest monument in the city. Now, E number identify the adjectives and the name, the degree of the comparison of each. The first one has been done for you. First, the young is positive man was more successful comparative than his friend. So comparative degree, more successful comparative and young is positive. Okay, like this we have to say. Okay, like this we have to do. So second number, Joy is taller than Ravi, so it is comparative degree. Taller than, right? Taller than shows that comparative degree. Then third number, the longest lane is still closed for the picnic, so longest superlative degree. Fourth number, the happy child played with others, so positive, happy is positive. Okay, positive degree. Now page number 34, Solomon was one of the wisest man. So wisest is superlative. Sixth number, Jeet's dog has become lazy. So lazy is positive. Seven number, Mr. Sharma is wealthier than Mr. Verma. So comparative. Wealthier is comparative. Eight number, let me listen to the most important news of the day. So superlative, most important, the most important. Okay, then nine number, during summer Delhi is hotter than Kolkata, so hotter than comparative. 10 number, May and June are the hottest month in the North India. So hottest est came, that is why superlative. Okay, now F number, give the comparatives give the comparative and superlative degrees of the adjectives. So as I am showing over here, first one, sad sadder saddest. Second number, hot hotter hottest. Third number, cold colder coldest. Fourth number, little less least. Five number, late later last. Six number, fit fitter fittest. Seven number, lucky luckier luckiest. Eight number, long longer longest. Nine number, many more most. 10 number, much more most. 11 number, bold bolder boldest. 12 number, high higher highest. 16 number, active more active most active. 17 number, old older oldest. 18 number, clean cleaner cleanest. 19 number, holy holier holiest. 20 number, charming more charming most charming. 21 number, cheerful more cheerful most cheerful. 21 number, costly costlier costliest. 23 number, expensive, more expensive, most expensive. 24 number, strange, stranger, strangest. 25 number, famous, more famous, more famous, most famous. 26 number, hardworking, more hardworking, most hardworking. 27 number, far, farther, farthest. 28 number, good, better, best. Okay, so now G number, read the sentences. Read two sentences given here carefully. Anita is taller than her sister. B number, Sohan is more. Okay, so Anita is the taller. Anita is the taller of the two sisters. Sohan is more active of the two brothers. So now frame the meaningful sentences by using the words given below. The first one has been done for you. Kesav intelligent, his brother. So Kesav is more intelligent of the two brothers. Now second number, Athira lazy, her sister. So how it will become? So second number, G number, second number here. This Athira is lazier than her sister. Okay, Athira is lazier than her sister. Now third number, Mr. Saxena generous his neighbor. So the answer is like this. Mr. Saxena is more generous than his neighbor. Next, fourth number, Sharat kind his cousin. So answer is Sharat is more kind than his cousin. Okay. Now H number, read the sentences given here as an example and frame similar sentences with the given words. The first one has been done for you. For example, Brahmaputra long Kosi. So the Brahmaputra is longer than the Kosi. First one, gold costly silver. So gold is costlier than silver. Now second number, cashew nut costly peanuts. So answer is over here second number, H number second. Cashew nuts are costlier than peanuts. Okay. Then third number, Rashi pretty Ragini. So answer is Rashi is prettier than Ragini. Okay. Then next, Raghav talented Harsh. So answer is like this. Fourth number, Raghav is very talented than Harsh. Okay. Now I number, read the sentences given here as an example and frame similar sentences with the words given below. The first one has been done for you. Shashank, tall, class. So Shashank is the tallest boy in the class. First one, Mukesh Ambani, rich man in India. So Mukesh Ambani is the richest man in the India. Second number, Mount Everest, high peak in the world. So answer is over here. Second number is here. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Third number, Raman thin boy in the class. So answer is third number, Raman is the thinnest boy in the class. And fourth number, Abida talented girl in the senior school. So Abida is the most talented girl in the senior school. Okay. Now J number, Read the following sentences and tick the correct one. The first one has been done for you. So first one, Burj Khalifa is the most tallest building in the world. That is wrong. Okay, why? Because the most came, so tallest will not come, and if tallest will come, then the most will not come. Okay, so it is wrong. Then second number, Shalini. Here, Shalini is more kinder than Sana. So that is also wrong. Okay, that is also wrong, because more and kinder both we cannot use. Double comparative we cannot use. Then third number, Suresh is the most efficient person in the organization. So third number is right. Fourth number, Rita is more shorter than Rasmi. That is wrong. Double comparative we cannot use. And 5 number, he is braver than his brother. That is, he is braver than. So that is also wrong. What is wrong in this? He is braver. Okay, more brave than his brother. Okay, so braver we cannot write down. That is why wrong. Okay, now key number, read the following passage and underline the adjectives. So we have to do underline, which is already over here. You just check it out. Okay, I'm going to read it. You just pay attention over here. Yeah, so Mother Teresa was the kind lady who served. So kind is underline kind, who served the sick. So sick underline, and poor also underline people. Okay, so kind and sick and poor we have to do underline. All the generous and humble people who wanted to help contributed willingly. So in this sentence, all generous and humble you just underline. She could not bear to see hungry child. Okay, so hungry we have to underline. Or an ailing person and was keen to serve them. So ailing and keen you have to do underline. There is a big home. Okay, so big we have to do underline, called Montessori's of charity in Kolkata, where many people are taken. So many you have to do underline, taken care of the underprivileged we have to underline, and the needy are looked after well. So needy also we have to do underline. The people who work there get great satisfaction by doing so. So great we have to do underline. So dear students, here we have completed our chapter. Okay, you just write it down one time in your notebook wherever the place has not been given, and in the next video we are going to check out the next. Till then, thank you, have a good day, bye bye everyone.